Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, I want to make a ginger drink. Ginger. And I want to cut it in 4 pieces or 3. 2 pieces or 2. Cut this. Cut this. And another cut. Then rip off the skin of the ginger. I cut it.
Yeah. And then?
And another one.
No, just one.
The ginger is clean and juicy.
Yeah.
This is hot water. And put in some hot water and mix it all up. Put sugar inside. Look at the sugar. And the water is dirty now, and here it is. A ginger drink. The ginger drink is ready.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Watching guys. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.